real slow.
Does that make me crazy? Possibly.
Excuse boy, you already know.
Pause. Why do I smell shit in my room? Get out. Get out. Get out. You know what you did.
I'm all yours. I couldn't even loosen up my buttons, baby.
Go ahead, be gone with it. Come to the
He just shit right on OTK. He shit right in the middle on the yellow on OTK. He took a dump on OTK. Are you fucking serious? Anywhere else on any carpet, 1%, it had to be right there. You've got to be fucking kidding me. All right, I need a minute. I need a second. You know I need a second. God fucking damn it. Ugh, and it's wet, bro. Chompy. Why? Why are you looking outside like you have anything?